am doing a recipe that I just stumbled across and it looked really interesting. I've never seen anything like it before. So I am going to be making minestrone pasta bake. So not the soup, but a pasta bake. So yeah, it looks pretty simple and looks like hopefully it's going to be tasty. So let's have a look and see. So I have a pan of boiling water and I'm going to add some salt and 300 grams of fusilli pasta. That's the twisty one. So 300 grams. And we're going to cook that for about 10 minutes or until it is tender. So come back then. Okay, so the pasta's been on probably about 12 minutes and it's just cooked. So we're going to drain it and set it aside. And once that's done, we are going to start making the sauce. Okay, so we've got a large frying pan with a tablespoon of olive oil and we are heating on a medium heat, and we're going to add 1 chopped onion and 1 clove of garlic chopped, and we're going to fry this for 2 to 3 minutes. Okay, once that's done, we're going to add all of the other ingredients. So we're going to add 1 courgette which has been diced, 6 fresh tomatoes which have been diced, a tin of cannellini beans, two tablespoons of tomato puree, and 150 ml of vegetable stock. So I'm going to stir that all together and then we're going to cook this for 4 to 5 minutes. Okay, so after 4 to 5 minutes the sauce should be ready. All we need to do is to season with some salt and pepper. And then the recipe says to add the pasta, but my frying pan is full. So what we're going to do is get these bits back in, take the saucepan we had for the pasta, and I'm going to pour that into there. Then I'm going to add the pasta to that. And give that a stir through. Go. Once that's done, we're going to take a large baking dish and pour this into the baking dish. and we're going to take a whole ball of light mozzarella. That's 125 grams. It says to grate it, but I've diced it because I think it's better like that. So we're going to scatter this over the top. And then we're going to put this under the grill for 2 to 3 minutes, and then we should be done. Okay, let's take a look. Wow. So the cheese is nice and golden brown, and now we're going to dish this up. So this is 4 portions I've made tonight. So I'm going to get my pasta bowl, and we're going to take a quarter of this out. Make sure we get that cheese on there. So that's 1 portion. Right, let's give this a taste and see if it's good or not. Okay, here goes. Oh, that's good. That's really good. That's minimum effort, maximum taste. I don't know what else to say. That is really good. So keep experimenting, have fun with it, and I'll see you next time. Bye!